Okay, so I am in the process of signing papers and documentations. In Canada, it takes quite a lot of documentation where you are being hired as a full-time. So this is a full-time role. I'm signing documents. I have not received my laptop yet. Education credentials done, work experience done as well. The main thing I know about the job is what is on the job description. And during the interview, the director made me to understand that I'll be having some other responsibilities. Okay. For example, if they want to introduce a new tool, they want to do research on the tool, create a proof of concept, and then create a documentation, right, on conference page. Those are all things that I'm used to. I'm good at research and development. So I'm not sure I have any issue with that. But the main role is Terraform and GCP. So I'm working kind of in the infrastructural part of things. I will be supporting applications already running using Dynatrace as a monitoring tool. I've used Dynatrace before when I was working in my previous role with RBC. That's a bank in Canada. So I don't have any issues with that. So I would say most of what is on the job description, right? If I'm being assigned tasks, I believe that I'll be able to kind of go through the tasks very well because I have the experience, right? But of course, to progress in my career and to really go through the job description, my main aim was to belong to a community like K21, because they also encourage their workers to belong to communities for development, right? If you want to write certifications, you want to continue with studies in regards to your job, they encourage that as well. So for now, I know that my job description is talking about GCP, Terraform, and building of infrastructure from scratch, managing the infrastructure, implementing security as well. This is all. Their main platform is GCP. They want to go multi-cloud, right? So they want to use some Azure Services. They want to use Azure Services. So when the roles are assigned or during meetings, of course, to showcase my skills on Azure. If they have any tasks coming on Azure, I would like to, take it just so that I'll be able to learn more, right? If that makes sense. Oh, I'm very, very excited. I'm happy. I have been working for a while now, just that what I realize is that when you have just one, like I was always on AWS, right? So I realized that many companies now, they are looking for people who are experienced in multi-cloud, either AWS, Azure, AWS, GCP, all those things like that. So when I enrolled, my main aim was to be strong with Azure, which I think that I've really gone far. So I was able to give them some projects that I've done with Azure and some projects that I've also done with GCP. So it made them to be very confident, hiring me. And looking at the job, it's a full-time role. So I strongly believe that it's a role that I'm going to grow with. And it's kind of a challenging role because the team is not very big. Okay, I'm the second DevOps engineer. They have the solution architect. So I'm happy because it's going to give me an opportunity to take on challenging projects from end to end. Yeah. Since I joined the academy, honestly, I just feel like when I was going for the interview, immediately I sent anything to if I ask any question, I get a response. So I felt so confident because I know that means if I get a job, she always responds and when I write to the support team, they always respond as well. Like they did a project for me from end to end, and it was so wonderful. Yeah. I'm just confident that I will succeed in the role. I'm very confident because I have a whole community, the support team as well, always responding. I just feel confident.